Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to verify your age in Roblox in 2023. Now to begin, open your web browser and then type out roblox.com and make sure you sign in into your account. And then tap on or click on the gear icon at the top and select settings. So here you would be able to see verify my age. So you will then just have to click on it and then select use a smartphone. Okay, you have to use your smartphone to scan this QR code. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. Just use your camera application on your phone. Okay, and then after scanning the QR code, just tap on the go to website and select the web browser that you want to use and select the type of ID that you want to use. Okay, and then take a photo of the front of your ID and of course the back of your ID. Okay, so right after that, just upload it and wait. Okay, and then processing your ID, and then you will be asked to take a photo of yourself to verify your identification. So you will then just have to look to your right and your left until you can finally finish the process. Okay, and then right after that, you are done. So when we go back to our web browser on our PC or laptop and checked if the verification is successful. So as you can see, I can see now the verification is successful and my age is verified. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.